It is currently 11:54 p.m. The perfect time for me to go to bed on my 6-foot wide keyboard. On my 6-foot wide keyboard. On my 6-foot wide keyboard.
Wide, but.
Kevin, did you get my email?
Got it.
The one for accounting.
Can you resend it? It's not very clear.
Oh, sorry.
This keyboard.
Hey, we have a 3 p.m. Can you take meeting minutes for us? It's downstairs.
Me.
Yeah.
No.
We need some split meeting minutes. All good?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Come on.
Yeah, come on. Oh, this will work. Yep. Just.
Team, check with how the website's looking. What are we thinking? Any feedback? Any thoughts?
I think we should start pushing this heavily with our creators, really up marketing. So yeah, let's keep pushing it to market with our creators. We can get Loya on board. She has a massive UK and US following.
Do we want to make a note of the water-resistant feature?
What? Sorry?
The water-resistant features of the mouse pad.
Do the microfiber cloth?
Sorry, how many Ds are there in waterproof? I have 2. I'm not sure if that's.
No Ds.
Oh.
The microfiber cloth is included. The liquid stays on the surface of